everyone. I'm at my mom's house today. We're going to start smoke alarm testing. There's making that kitty fort. And I'm not doing it the proper way because I don't have any smoke tester. Alright. Also going to be testing the carbon monoxide detector. There's one on each floor. There's one in the basement too.
Nice actually works very effectively.
Aaron, close the door. Close it. Alright, I'm down here. Alright, we're gonna start with the carbon monoxide detector. Here. There we go. Sorry. That's fun. Alright. Aaron! Let's send off the house! Alright. Oh, that was fun. Yeah.
Everything works perfectly.
Alright. I'm ready to do this one.
Caution, carbon monoxide previously detected.
Alright, I'm out.
Okay.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
Wait for it to turn off. I think this is a good voice of system. Isn't it?
Fire.
Ah, that's weird. It's probably saying hi to me. Hello. Ariane, come upstairs with me. Oh, scary.
The cats. The kittens.
Now we need to go upstairs and test these. Now I need to test the one up here.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
These cats don't really care.
They don't want like a carbon monoxide has been previously detected in the building. Did it say that?
Yep. Should I do the one in my bedroom? Boxes in here. Kitty box right here. Kittens go in it. Guest room! All right, mom's bedroom. This one, it's weird. Huh, that one, test button doesn't work. All right, that's weird. All right. Oh, that's probably gonna be it. I might have to say the one in the bedroom doesn't work, but I need to fill out paper. I'm done for the day. All right, bye.